9,310 tweets are sent out every second. In ancient Rome, a new year began on March 1. The heaviest dog on record is an Old English Mastiff named Zorba. This is a 3D glass globe illusion at Paris City Hall. It looks like a globe, but it is a flat park. The Ganges River dolphin lives in extremely murky water and thus has a tiny essential useless eyes. This is how a bat in the womb looks like. Unicorns are real. They are just little fat and calls themselves rhinos. Keltec P50 pistol. Polymer frame holds 50 rounds of 5.7 x 28 ammunition. Nicolas Cage was originally given the leading role in The Wrestler, but passed it on Mickey Rourke believing he would be the better fit. The brazen bull was a punishment in ancient Greece. The victim was put into a bull made up of bronze and set fire under it. When you are negotiating with someone, leave your palms visible. This is a sign of trustworthiness. This Chinese village of Xiling Shui made a QR code from 130k trees which can be apparently scanned by passing planes. Gamophobia is a fear of marriage, relationship or commitment. Shoes worn by Allied spies during World War II to mislead the Germans and steer them to opposite direction. Eiffel Tower designer Gustave Eiffel includes a secret apartment for himself near the top. Inventor of chocolate chips cookies sold the idea to Nestle Toll House in return for lifetime supply of chocolate. Did you know this is a rare black chicken? A whole chicken is solid black. An MRI scan of a baby in a mother womb. Oklahoma manhole covers have a city map on it with a white dot showing where in the city you are. Colorized picture of Nikola Tesla. This is how he looked in his old age and final days. Scientists found 66 million years old egg in Antarctica. A break from someone will either make you realize how much you truly miss or love them or how much peace you have without them. This is what happens when two humans hug each other. Dating an awkward person is less stressful. You laugh more, have more fun, which improves quality of life and overall health. Did you know water covers 70% of the earth? Physical attractions are common, but a mental connection is rare. The 13,000-year-old swimming reindeer sculpture was carved from mammoth tusk. When you miss someone, you are more likely to read the old text messages. Road design engineer choose to respect the life of a tree. Girls tend to lose 2 to 3 friends when they entering a healthy relationship. In 2018, a bag of 54 served human hands were found in Siberia. Rabbit starvation. It is a malnutrition caused by eating too much protein and not enough fat. Did you know French fries was originated in Belgium, not France? He is Lee Ching-yen. According to 1930s article published in New York City Times, he reportedly lived for 256 years. The cigarette lighter was invented before the match. A snow leopard is hiding in this pic. Meet Jonathan, a tortoise who is believed to be 187-year-old. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City in Rome, Italy. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which is 828 meters tall with 163 floors. A man from Texas once tried to shoot an armadillo, but its armor deflected the bullet right back to his face. Devil horn sunrise captured in Qatar during the partial eclipse during sunrise. Twelve people have been to the moon, but only 8 people have won Takeshi's Castle. It has emerged that a staff and patients at Japanese hospital accidentally drank toilet water instead of drinking water for almost 30 years without realizing.
Should
50,000 plus years history of Japanese bullet train system carrying over 5.3 billion passengers, and that hasn't been not a single passenger fatal or injured due to train accidents. There is a disease where you eventually stop sleeping and then die. There is no cure. Did you know ant takes rest for around 8 minutes in 12-hour period?